Hi, I'm Erik Linask, and I'm coming to you again from Panduit here in the Chicago area. And I'm here with Bob Smith, who I guess you head up the development of the new world headquarters facility that I guess you've got opening up next May.
Correct. I'm the global construction manager for Panduit, and I'm managing the construction progress for the project.
Well, one of the things we just left off with Vineeth Ram in our most recent segment was sort of the idea of practicing what you preach, or leading by example, if you will. And it really seems that that's one of the things Panduit's doing with the new world headquarters facility and the green, sort of the green approach to building it and that.
Yeah, Panduit over the course of the company has always been committed to sustainability. And when we decided to build this world headquarters project, the idea of creating a LEED certified building was very attractive to us because we could perpetuate that green messaging in our new building. So we did decide to achieve LEED Gold, or work to achieve LEED Gold, and that's what we're building to right now.
So let's talk a little bit about that. What actually goes into a LEED Gold certified facility?
Well, the LEED program is an internationally recognized certification process. It is completely voluntary. It is not driven by any governmental agencies. And it focuses on a few key areas for building construction, and those would be increased energy efficiency, reduction in water usage, things like creating a better environment for employees, a more healthy environment. So when we look at that, throughout the design process, we focus on different key areas in order to achieve a certain amount of points. And we decided to go for the LEED Gold designation, and we are a little bit over the 39 required points, right about 44.
Now, what made you actually decide to go for a LEED Gold certified certification?
We wanted to achieve the highest LEED rating we possibly could. Many of the points that are related to the LEED system do require you to have a brownfield site or renovate an existing site. Due to the area that we wanted to build in, that wasn't an option for us. So we had to go for a greenfield site, and it made it very difficult to achieve that LEED Platinum status. So we decided the LEED Gold was the area we'd target.
Now, what are some of the benefits that Panduit is going to achieve from the new facility?
Well, I think one of the biggest benefits is the energy reduction from the operational expenses of the building. Right now, when you bring together all the different systems we have in the building, we're projecting to reduce the overall energy usage by about 30% per year. And that's one very significant savings on a building this size. And two, it allows us to demonstrate a lot of the technology as well. So that technology we're implementing is things like underfloor air distribution. We are going to have a lighting system that will utilize outdoor lighting to reduce the energy requirements from the indoor lighting. We're using a technology called light shelf, which is actually very low tech, but with proper planning, we're able to increase the amount of light we're going to be using inside the building, so we have to generate less electrical power.
What would you say are one or two of the biggest challenges you had to overcome when you started the construction process?
Really, the design aspect of it was much more intense. It required us to really change the parameters which we look at a building. Traditionally, as a corporation, we focused on the manufacturing aspects, and our office facilities were more of an afterthought. So this is the first time we're really building a pure office building. So one, changing the paradigms of how we thought about what we need to do, how we need to service our employees. And then also really looking at different ways that the different technology we're putting in will impact the employees and how they benefit them. That's all very new stuff we're looking at, and the design was very extensive, and a lot of work went into it.
Good. To take it on a little bit of a wider scale, does this kind of approach to green technology, green buildings, and sustainability, is that something that you're seeing on a wider scale across the community?
Yeah, we did. When we first started this project, if we would have got the certification at that point, we would have been the second LEED Gold building in Illinois. Already we're seeing a lot of other projects that are smaller than ours and are actually being built a little bit quicker, achieving those designations. So you're seeing a lot of LEED projects throughout Illinois and throughout the country. So it's really exciting. A lot of the architectural community and engineering community are really gravitating towards this. And I think one of the big reasons why it's being pushed so heavily is we're starting to see in the green movement an ability to reduce your overall costs by actually implementing some of these systems and making that upfront investment. So it's becoming a good financial play for companies as well.
And certainly that's a key driver of,
Sure.
of anything these days. When are you actually looking to move in staff into the new facility?
Right now we're looking at doing that spring of next year. Looking at a completion of February of 2010. And we should be moving in towards the end of March and should have a nice new happy home next summer.
Fantastic. So they wish you well in the rest of that endeavor.
Okay, thanks.
We've been talking here at Panduit in Chicago, Illinois. We've been talking with Bob Smith, who heads up the development and the construction of their new LEED certified facility. Thanks, Bob.
Thank you.